Here we have a concrete pad that I moved from my location to my son. He needed a concrete pad to put a propane tank on. Here we are unloading the mini skid, getting the site prepped for the concrete pad. A little bit of handwork here, moving the concrete pad in place. There it is in place, and now pressure washing, and it's all set to go. My daughter had a weeping willow stump that she wanted removed, so we worked on that. Luckily, it has been cut down for several years, and the stump was pretty well rotted up. It wasn't all that hard to get out, but the mini skid made it much easier. Here we are with the stump bucket working on it. And here is the main root and the stump. I'm transporting it over the bank. Here's the finished product. Here I have a tree that fell on my property from an adjacent property, the tree tops. So I used the mini skid. Once I cut the tree tops off, I used the mini skid to push them out of the way. Here's the finished product after I pushed them off my property. Here in my front lawn there was some soya grass, and it's the last to turn green in the spring and the first to turn brown in the fall, so we decided to get rid of that. So I scooped that up and loaded it up and hauled it away, and then we brought in topsoil and then planted regular grass there. So those are some of the uses I've gotten out of my mini skid, and I am glad I got it.